Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. 8:20 a.m. Central Time on Monday, June 1st, 2015. And we're looking at Earthquake 3D here, which is a USGS feed of the most recent earthquakes. And we're looking directly down upon the North Pole. And you can see here clearly a 5.2 magnitude earthquake, very rare, has struck the North Mid-Atlantic Ridge going all the way up north into the Arctic Circle. And that's directly upon the North Mid-Atlantic. And we can get the USGS stats on this and go look up the actual coordinates on Google Earth to see what's there. But this is an auto-assigned depth at 10 km that may go up or down. The magnitude may go up or down as well. And we'll put in the coordinates and zoom in on the area. So you can clearly see here there's a 4.6 mark there from 2013. And we're pretty much right at the North Pole. I mean, we're maybe, let's get a line measurement tool on this so we know exactly how far. Okay, we're less than 200 miles off the exact North Pole, and that would be the geographic North Pole. The magnetic North Pole is further south. So we're right at the North Pole. And the last time we saw any noteworthy activity there was, well, I've got it marked here, 4.6. In 2013. So we're talking maybe every few years you might see something up there. That's very rare to see. In light of the other stuff that's going on around the planet, let's just take a quick look. Let me show you what's happened over the last 7 days. We've got earthquakes in England. We've got earthquakes on the New Madrid. We've got now a new swarm of earthquakes off the west coast. We have our extremely deep earthquake that happened yesterday in Japan. That was an 8.5 that was downgraded to a 7.8. But that was the deepest, largest earthquake at that depth that anyone I know has ever seen. Now, it wasn't the largest earthquake ever, and it wasn't the deepest earthquake ever. But at that depth, it was. So now we've got a North Pole earthquake to add into the mix, guys. Again, I mean, this just is something new to add into the mix that I'm going to have to analyze a little bit and try and figure out what this might lead to. It's a very shallow depth, which means there may be some kind of eruption happening there, some kind of undersea volcano that we might not know about. Let's zoom in and see what they've got marked there. Okay, we've got some photos. Okay, here we go. Unnamed. 2 young volcanoes were discovered along the eastern part of the slow-spreading Gakal Ridge during a bathymetric survey at submarine in 1999. Okay, so there is a new volcano there, at least one they just discovered, so this could be volcanic related. But guys, I cannot stress this enough. We are seeing a tremendous amount of unrest occur right now, so have an earthquake plan ready. Be prepared just in case. You may never have to use it. But, like I've said in multiple videos, having the plan ahead of time will save your life in a time of an emergency. And if you don't have to use it, you can use it for a severe weather plan. You can have your earthquake and severe weather plans overlap. A lot of the stuff you need to prepare for in an earthquake is also something you need to prepare for in severe weather. So just take those things into mind, guys. And, of course, be safe. Have a good week. Don't be scared. Be prepared.